Question: DS. If n is a positive integer, how many factors are there of n? Condition 1, n is an even integer. Condition 2, n is a prime number. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, one variable, question. Condition 1, one equation. Condition 2, one equation. DS question with one variable. Let the original condition in a DS question contain one variable. Now, one variable would generally require one equation for us to be able to solve for the value of the variable. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need one equation to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, the logical answer is D. The answer could be A, B, or D, but the default answer will be D. The questions are great in the official guide, but the solutions are extremely complicated. Never read the solutions in the guide. Instead, solve the questions using the variable approach. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the number of different factors of n, if n is a positive integer. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have one variable, n. To match the number of variables with a number of equations, we need one equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. That's right, the answer is D because one more equation is required. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that n is an even integer. If n is 2, the number of different factors is 2, namely 1 and 2. If n is 6, the number of different factors is 4, namely 1, 2, 3, and 6. Since it is not a unique answer, this condition is not sufficient. Condition 2 tells us that n is a prime number. Every prime number only has 2 factors, namely 1 and itself. So, it is a unique answer. This condition is sufficient. Condition 2 alone is sufficient. So B is the correct answer. In some cases, A or B can be the answer. However, since we have one variable from the original condition, D is 60% likely to be the answer. So pick D when you run out of time or want to skip the question. This is the standard approach to solve a question using the variable approach. By using the variable approach, you are going to experience a brand new world of having time left over in your exam. Answer B.